Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, today we are again here for learning science. So, as you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School, and we continue our lesson number 4, Plant as Food. In this lesson we learn about food we get from plant. Our today's topic is textbook exercise. So we done yesterday some exercise and today we continue exercise. So let's start our today's topic with one beautiful line that don't make excuses, make improvement. If you do any work and if it is hard for you, then don't give up. Don't make excuses and give up. Make improvement to complete this work. So whenever you do any work, don't make excuses and give effort to complete this work. So let's start our today's lecture. Lesson number 4, Plant as Food. Before we start our exercise, let's revise what we learn in lesson number 4. So we learn about food in lesson number 4, which we get from plants. Now let's see what we get from plant. We get fruits from plant. Here you can see picture of fruits which we get from plant. Apple, banana, blackberry, blueberry, lemon, pear, watermelon. These all are fruits which we get from plant. You can see here eggplant also in this picture because it is a fruit of the plant. So here some fruits which we eat. Some are available in our country and some are not, but most of the fruits now available in our country. So these all fruits we eat and we also add in dishes to flavor. Then next is we get vegetables from plant. So here you can see some different types of vegetables like pumpkin, eggplant, radish, potato and many other. So eggplant is a vegetable which we get from plant, but it is a fruit of the plant. That's why eggplant are available in both picture, fruits and vegetable. Here you can see green pepper and red pepper which we use in making pizza. So these all vegetables we get from plant. Then cereal and pulses also we get from plant. We revise the lesson before start exercise, because we remember that what we learn and then we can give answer. We get cereals from plants. Here you can see some pictures of cereals like oats, wheat, rice and many other. It is a picture of pulses which we get from plant. So here you can see that kidney beans, chickpeas and many other, and we also use in our food. Split, when we split it we add in our food. You can see here yellow split peas which is made from chickpeas. Like that many split peas we eat in our food. Then we learn about tea, coffee and sugar. So we also get tea, coffee and sugar from plant. So we get different types of tea from plant. You can see here, these all are dry tea which we get from plant. Some is healthy tea and some we drink in our food. So here is a different types of tea. Then we also learn that we get coffee beans from plants. So here you can see the different types of coffee seeds from which we make a coffee to drink. Then we get sugar. So here you can see the different types of sugar also. We only use white sugar mostly in our house. As you know that when we make tea, coffee or cold drinks or other sweet dish like cake or cookies or many things. So we add sugar to make this dish sweet. So here is a different types of sugar. White sugar we usually use in our house. Then brown sugar also we use in food. Here you can see the cubes of sugar also. So when we make sugar from sugarcane juice, firstly it is in form of cubes, which you can see here, white cubes and brown cubes. So we grind it, then we use it. Brown sugar we use to make dish healthy also, because brown sugar is more healthy than white sugar. So when brown sugar we eat, then we refine it, then we use as a white sugar. Then we learn about root vegetables which we get from plant, stem we eat which we get from plant, leaf we eat, flower we eat. We also learn that flowers like rose we use in add flavor in our food. As you know, rose cold drink, rose milkshake. Then we get cereals, rice, wheat and oats, pulses, tea, coffee and sugar. So we learn that how we use this part of the plant in our food. So we learn in lesson number 4 that plants as food. Then we also get some foods like dry fruits or nuts. You can see here the different types of nuts which we learned yesterday, that almond, coconut and many others, nutmeg, walnut, all this we use in our food. You can see here coffee is also here. We also get oil from plant. So cooking oil which we use to cook is we get from plant. We generally use groundnut oil, coconut oil and cottonseed oil, and most of the houses we use olive oil also. So these all things we get from plant. Yesterday we learned some exercise from the textbook. Which is this? That we learn hard words and fill in the blanks. First we learn hard words, which are there with photos. Pulses, coffee, sugar, spices which we use in our food, oil, beetroot, spinach, broccoli, wheat, maize, gram, kidney beans, tea. Then we learn fill in the blanks which we done yesterday. First, we get vegetables and fruits from plants. So we tick mark the picture of plant. Second, spinach and cabbage are dash that we eat. Stem or leaf? It is the leaves of the plant. So we tick mark the leaves. We done this yesterday, that potato is a dash part of the plant. Root or stem? Stem. So we tick mark the stem. Cauliflower is a dash we eat. Flower or root? Flower. So we tick mark the flower. Then mango and dash are fruits that we eat. Potato or apple? So we consider apple in fruits. Potato is a vegetable. So we learned this yesterday. Then we make a eye card of food we get from plant, because as we come to school we wear a eye card. So like that we make a eye card of food we get from plant. So first we make carrot type vegetables, like we write in your eye card standard, like that we write here type. So then corn, cereal, then watermelon fruit, then lemon is also fruit of the plant, peas, pulses, potato vegetable, wheat cereal. So what we learned today, these all things we learned yesterday, and today we learn two new exercises. Which are they? Match the following and give two examples. So we complete this exercise from what we learn in lesson number 4. So let's start our today's exercise. First, match the following. So in this we have to match column 1 with column 2. So let's see. Here you can see that 5 names here. First is beans. So we have to find out answer of column 1 from column 2. So what are beans from this? So when we learn about roots, what we learn that root is a underground part. So beans are not root. Then stem. So stem is a part of the plant. Then leaf. Leaf is also part of the plant. Then pulses. So when we learn about pulses, we see that kidney beans. So kidney beans we learn is pulses. So all pulses are beans. Why? Because it is in form of seeds. So we joined beans with pulses. So here you can see the arrow which joined beans with pulses. So now here you can understand that pulses are also known as beans, like kidney beans and many others. We also called it pulses. Then number 2, spinach. Spinach is a part of the plant. So we have to revise that which part of the plant we learn and what we learn in this, that different part of the plant we eat as a vegetable. So when you see the picture of spinach, so what did you see in this picture? That it is a leaf of the plant, because only leaf are there. No stem, no fruit, no flower. So spinach is a leaf we eat. So we join spinach with leaf. Then number 3, ginger. So is ginger root of the plant? No. Is ginger flower of the plant? No. So ginger is a stem of the plant. So we join ginger with stem. Then next, broccoli. So broccoli is a flower of the plant. When we see the picture of broccoli, it's look like a flower and it is also part of the plant flower. So we join broccoli with flower. So we know that cauliflower is also flower of the plant. Then last one is carrot, which is the root of the plant, which we learn that carrot and beetroot are root of the plant. Why we use as a salad in our food carrot? Because it is a healthy food for our body, and it is a root of the plant because it's grow underground, not grow like flower. So here match the following: beans with pulses, spinach with leaf, ginger with stem, broccoli with flower, and carrot with root. Now I am here writing with answer match the following. So again you revise that beans pulses are also known as beans. We eat mixed beans also. So beans with pulses, spinach is a leaf of the plant, we know that. Then ginger, stem of the plant, we learn that ginger and potato grow underground, but it is not root of the plant, it is a stem of the plant. Then broccoli is a flower of the plant, we learn that cauliflower and broccoli are flower of the plant. Then carrot is a root of the plant because carrot grow underground. So now you can understand that which part of the plant we eat in our food and how we use in our food. Then next exercise is write two examples. So here you can see some student are standing here with one banner. So write two examples. In this exercise what you have to do? You have to write two names of each. So we write two names of each things in question. So let's start next exercise. Write two examples. So first is root we eat. We have to write two names of root we eat. So let's revise which are roots of the plant: onion, carrot, radish, beetroot, garlic. All these are roots of the plant. And why? Because it is a underground part of the plant. So let's write two names. First, carrot. You can see here picture of carrot. Carrot is a root of the plant. We also grow carrot. Remember, when we learn about roots of the plant, we learn how carrot grow from carrot tops. Then second is beetroot. Beetroot you can see here that root of the plant. You can see in this picture leaf are also there, but it is the root of the plant. So let's write spelling of carrot. CARROT, carrot. And second, beetroot. BEETROOT, beetroot. You can also write onion, garlic and many other which root we eat. So here roots we eat carrot and beetroot. Then next, number 2, stem we eat. So let's revise. When we plant any fruit or vegetable, So first we grow seed in land. Then which part of the plant start growing? Roots. After then which part start growing? Stem. So this stem also we eat. So which stem we eat? We learn in this lesson that stems we eat. One stem we eat as a fruit in our food. So which is that stem? We also eat this on kite flying days. We get sugar from it. Which stem is it? We learn about sugar that we get sugar from sugar cane. So first stem is sugar cane. So this is a stem of the plant, but we eat as a vegetable. It is a winter fruit. We know as a winter fruit also. So here is the first sugar cane. And second, now which is second stem mostly we use in our house. This vegetable we use every day in our house. We also add in every vegetables also, with brinjal also, drumsticks also, chickpeas also. In chicken also we use it. Which food is this? We add with peas also, green peas. When we make a rice, we add this vegetable in it. So it is a potato. It is a stem of the plant. We make many things from potato like chips, fries, sandwich and many others. So here is two stem. First is sugarcane and second is potato. So let's write spelling of them. What are the spelling of sugarcane? SUGARCANE. And sugarcane also give us sugar, which we need to make things sweet. So first is sugarcane and second potato. I know you all know the spelling of potato. What is the spelling of potato? POTATO, potato. So these are stem which we eat. We also learn about ginger, which is a stem of the plant. So we learn that potato and ginger are underground, but it is a stem of the plant. You can write also ginger here. Now let's see third question. Yes, fruits we eat. So I know that you all know about fruits. So many fruits we eat, like apple, mango, banana, then watermelon. You see new fruit, dragon fruit. So here we write names of two fruit. So many fruits are available. From this we have to write only two fruits. So mostly we eat apple, mango and banana at our house. So here we write, you can write any fruit. Then here I write apple. Which picture is this? Apple. Then next mango. You can see here mango. Mango is very yummy food. And in summer we eat mango. Mango juice also, mango milkshake. We also eat mango ice cream. So we write here two names of fruit, apple and mango. You can also write other fruits like banana, then grapes also fruit. We also eat fruits like peach. So there are many types of fruits in world. So let's write spelling of apple. I know that you all know spelling of apple because when we learn ABCD, the first letter we learn that A for apple. So the spelling of apple is APPLE, apple. Then second is mango, MANGO, mango. So we also eat raw mango. We make a pickle from raw mango. So here number 4, cereals we eat. So which cereals we eat? When we learn about cereals, we learn that mostly we eat wheat in our food. So in morning we take a breakfast. So we eat wheat flour chapatis in morning, in afternoon also, and in evening also. We take a breakfast, lunch and dinner, and we eat chapatis in every meal. So first we write wheat, which we know as a cereals. We also grow wheat plant. Then next is rice. Rice we also eat in lunch also and in dinner also. So here you can see two picture of cereals. So which are they? Wheat and rice. So let's write spelling of wheat. WHEAT, wheat. So we also store wheat of whole year in summer. Then next is rice. What is the spelling of rice? Let's speak together. RICE, rice. So wheat and rice are cereals we eat. Now next, pulses we eat. So here you can see the picture of two students with board. So first picture, what we add in first board? Pulses we eat. Remember we learn about pulses. So first board we add peas, green peas. We also eat dried green peas and we eat green peas also. Green peas with rice we eat. So first is peas. Then next is gram or chickpeas. We make a flour of it and make many things, many dishes from chickpea flour. So here is first we write spelling of peas, 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 and second is gram or chickpea. Now you can see here we can called gram also and chickpea also. The spelling of gram, GRAM, grams, and chickpea, CHICKPEA. So what we learn today, we learn about match the following exercise which we done. We match words with answer. Beans pulses, spinach leaf, ginger stem, and broccoli flower, carrot root. Then we learn write two examples, roots, carrot and beetroot. We write the spelling of it. Then we learn stem we eat, sugarcane and potato. Then we learn fruits we eat. You can write any fruit in it which you like. I write apple and mango. Then cereals we eat, wheat and rice. Then pulses we eat, peas and gram. So these all things we eat in our food. So now I hope you understand the exercise which we do today. So take care and stay healthy.